With more than 1 billion people on Facebook, with more coming in every single day. Once you start using the SociJam system, people are going to notice. When people start asking, "Wow, how did you do that? Wouldn't you like the opportunity to tell them that makes you money?" Today on this page only, you can be one of the first to offer this service. Secure your agency license. You get to tap into this market, give them what they want, and have the money go directly into your own pocket. Here's exactly what you'll get with your agency-level SociJam upgrade. Create accounts for staff or clients. Agency back office. Everything is smooth, slick and easy to use, just like the SociJam tool. Just copy-paste, and you're ready to profit. Account creation. You'll be able to keep your clients happy by letting them have their own professional and clean login area. Easy copy-paste reg. Choose the member level and give them the link we provide for easy, hands-free delivery and registration. Charge your own price. Selling social media as a service. Increase your prices and value. Prices must be equal to or higher than ours. Customized dashboard. Show your own message when your new customer client logs in, or even add a personal welcome video. Viral client builder. You've already seen how eye-catching SociJam is. Now you can use it to build an even bigger client base that pays. Truth be told, you can try the agency license 100% risk-free. I'm so confident in the money-making ability of this license that I don't mind taking on all the risk myself. You can try this out for 30 full days. If, for any reason, you're not satisfied with your agency license, you can simply ask for a refund. Your investment is covered by my 30-day money-back guarantee. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain with this fantastic offer and guarantee. That said, if you plan on purchasing then asking for a refund, please don't order an agency license. This is a very limited offer, so if you are not 100% committed, then leave the license for other people who are and who will put it to good use. That said,